In this session, let us learn about Matplotlib plotting. Plotting x and y points. The plot function is used to draw points markers in a diagram. By default, the plot function draws a line from point to point. The function takes parameters for specifying points in the diagram. Parameter 1 is an array containing the points on the x axis. Parameter 2 is an array containing the points on the y axis. If we need to plot a line from 1, 3 and 8, 10, we have to pass two arrays 1, 8 and 3, 10 to the plot function. See example, draw a line in diagram for position 1, 3 to position 8, 10. See, if we execute this code 1, 8, 3, 10 and sys st.flush, if we flush that, the code returns this. The x axis is the horizontal axis, the y axis is the vertical axis. Plotting without line. To plot only the markers, you can use shortcut string notation parameters 0, which means rings. See, now we are using 0. PLT show, see here, the result returns this 1 and 8. Multiple points. You can plot as many points as you like, just make sure you have the same number of points in the both axes. See example, draw a line in a diagram from position 1, 3 to 8, 6, 1 and 8, 10. See, by flushing this, the result returns this 2, 8. Default x points. If we do not specify the points in the x axis, they will get the default values 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. depending on the length of the y points. So, we take the same example as above and leave out the x points, the diagram will look like this. See here, the x points in the example above is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay friends, this is the end of part 3 Matplotlib plotting. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Matplotlib markers. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.